So I would suggest everybody, and even if you're not involved in the field as a therapist, whatever that means, I use that term as an intellectual development. The attendance at that conference that we have is amazing, and it will enhance you in every possible way that you can think. Coming up in August, I'm just doing a before, we entitled it Before the Intake, and again, it's about language and the use of language, and how we need to trigger certain things with certain language. And then, of course, I'm heading our board certification examination, interviews, answering questions, and of course, I'll be doing a workshop to explain about the certification program, the board certification program. If you've attended any other, even those that I've been organizing over the years, it's the best, and it's the most informative, and it's the most widely, a wide umbrella of knowledge. And I mean, some of the speakers that we have at that conference are world-renowned. And I don't think there can be any other gathering that can group so many experts as we have at our conference. And you need it. You really need it. And we always used to say, if you could go home from the conference or the convention with 2 or 3 items that will enhance your business, your expertise, your professionalism, and your bottom line,